Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here I want to show you how to buy Dogecoin in Europe. So if your local currency is Euro, I will show you how to buy Dogecoin with it. This we're gonna do on Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world and also has the lowest trading fees of only 0.1%. And if you use the link in the video description for registration, you save 20% on trading fees so that you actually pay 0.08% on fees. And what you have to do here is just register, then deposit some money by using bank transfer or credit card, and when the money has arrived, you can use it to buy Dogecoin on this site. How you do this step by step, I will show you now. At first you click the link in the video description, then you come to the right registration page and the 20% trading fee discount is also automatically activated. Then you just create an account. And after your account is created, you just log in at Binance and go to the dashboard. And from the dashboard, you go into the menu and click here on identification. The identification is necessary to be able to deposit some money. Therefore, just do it by clicking here on this verify button. Also do address verification after by clicking here on this verify button. And if all this is done, you are able to deposit money by clicking here on buy crypto and then on bank deposit. Here you can choose your currency and your payment method. You can use bank transfer or credit card. And after you just type in this field how much money you want to transfer. For example, 100 euros. Now you just click on continue so that you get the bank details which you need for the bank transfer. So just go into your online banking and use this information for the bank transfer. After 1 to 3 business days, the money should arrive. And when the money has arrived, you can click here on buy crypto and then on cash balance. Here you can check your available cash balance. In my case, it would be 180 euros. And you can also check your cash balance and all your cryptocurrency balances if you click here on wallet and then on fiat and spot. Now that the money has arrived, in my case, you can start buying Dogecoin by first selecting the right coin. Therefore, you just click here on coin and then scroll down to Dogecoin. After you selected it, you can now type in this field how much money you want to invest in Dogecoin, and after you click on buy Doge. Now you see all the details, and if this is fine, you just click here on confirm so that you successfully bought a Dogecoin. If you want to sell your Dogecoin, you just click here on sell crypto, and there you can swap your Dogecoin back into Euro. And if you want to withdraw your Euro into your bank account, you just click here on buy crypto, then on bank deposit. And here you can switch between deposit and withdraw. So just click here on withdraw, type in your bank details, and after 1 to 3 business days, the Euro amount is back into your bank account. Yeah, that's it for the tutorial. I hope you liked it. If so, give it a like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye bye.